Hi everyone. Very quickly, I'm going to show you BreezyBit URL shortener application. So once you install the application in your org, you will be able to see it in the app launcher here as BreezyBit URL shortener with this logo here, as you see. And the first tab we have is Breezy Setup. Here you'll be able to see all the details about the URL shortener application breezily. So what's the overview? Installation and setup, very easy, very quick. User interface, how you can manually create shortened URLs, how you can create automation rules so you can automatically generate shortened URLs on your records, for example. You can see all of those details here in the Breezy Setup tab. And the next one is Breezy Shortener. And here, let me just refresh this. What you can do is you can manually enter any URL here on this page, on this field, and then it'll generate a shortened URL for you. If you want, you can customize the slash tag as well. But here, for example, what is this? A very long, yeah, there was a documentation here. So here, if I get this URL, a very long one, if I enter this as the destination URL on my page, and if I just say create short link, it'll generate the shortened link for me right away. I can copy this, just use it. It'll take me to the target URL right away. And also, once you create a short URL manually here, it'll create a new record actually here under the BreezyBit short URLs tab. In this object, it'll create a record for you. You'll see, okay, what's the name of this? What's the destination URL? And what's the short URL taking you there? And if you have any slash tags, it'll be there too. And in addition to that, you can automate this process. Again, whenever you need a manual URLs, short URLs, you can do it right away here. But if you want to automate it, so once you create a new record or update a record, you can do it as well. You can set up some rules. For example, here I have 3 different rules for the account object, working on the account records. I say, on the account object, for example, name is gonna be source field. So if I enter a URL in the name field, it'll create a shortened link for me automatically whenever there is a new record created in the account on the description field. Or on the survey link, whenever there is a URL here on the survey link field, it'll generate one for me in the survey short URL field. Or survey link text on this field, it'll generate one on the website field. So just to show you, it could be anywhere, any field. With any kind of object, you can do it as well, but just showing you some examples with accounts. And once you open this rule, it's very easy. Again, if you need to, edit this, if you need to create this, you just give a name to your rule. You select, okay, I want this to be on the account object. Which field is going to be my source field, which field of the account is going to be my target field. So where I put my URL, where it generates the shortened URL for me. And I say, run on insert, run on update, both of them. And if it's active or not, you can select all of those things. So these are set for me. Let's go actually create an account record. If I come here and create an account record, so let's say I want to make this actually the URL for the name, right? And then I want to make another one. What was I had actually? Maybe this one actually. I was a Red Woman coach. So let's put this, and then I want to put this on the link text one. So I have these two, and the other rule was actually for a formula field. It'll do that for me automatically. So when I save this, and when I go to this record right now, it takes just about 10 seconds or so. I just need to refresh this one time. And as you see right now, I have the account name as a URL, and then description, it gives me the shortened version of it. I have the survey link field. This was a formula field actually, so this was created automatically, but I had a rule for this as well, and then it created a survey short URL field for me. And I also had the survey link text field. I entered this manually. And then when I did that, it created a short URL for me on the website field. So again, you can use it with formula fields, you can use it with text fields, you can use it with any kind of fields actually, and any kind of objects. And you can set multiple, as many as you want, rules, automations for, on an object or on multiple objects. You can do it too, either standard or custom. So it's really this easy and this quick. You can automate this process. And if you need something much more and want to do, API calls and create thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of short URLs, for example, that is totally fine too. If you're sending messages, for example, or if you're using in emails, we have an open API as well. So you can make API calls. We can give you those details and easily generate hundreds of thousands or millions of short URLs. So, but this is how BreezyBit's URL shortener application works in your org. So in addition to the BreezyBit form and survey builder native application, we also have this BreezyBit URL shortener 100% native application working in your organization. So you don't need to go to different platforms to do those things. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.